Hello everybody, my name is Michael, and it's almost Christmas. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to make a Christmas tree out of cardboard step by step. So first, we need 2 pieces of cardboard, and you can trace first like where are you gonna cut, or you could just cut without tracing. Well, I trace because it's easier for me. So let's get on to work. So here are my 2 drawings, and I'm just gonna cut them step by step. So let's get to work. Second piece is done. Now we are ready to make the Christmas tree itself. So let's clean up a little bit here. A lot of scraps. Just put them over there for now. Now, you see, they're pretty the same size. Now we are gonna cut one of them in half. So let's take this one, and don't be scared, it's not gonna mess up anything. Here, we cut it in half. Now, so look guys, if you don't have a glue gun, you can use Elmer's glue, but I prefer glue gun because it dries faster. It's like, well, it's better. So you're gonna take your glue gun and let's heat it up. So see you guys when the glue gun is ready. I'm back guys, and the glue gun is finally ready. So we're gonna take this and put some hot glue at the edge. And then you quickly take your full piece and put it right in the middle. It doesn't have to be very perfect, but just so it can stand up like this. Leave it there for some time to dry, and take the other piece and put some hot glue on it too, and then take it, the full piece, and glue it on. Let it dry again some more time. Then after you're finished, you have a perfect Christmas tree. If you want to color it green and add balloons to it, you can sure do that. So you can do it any shape. I just did this shape, like random. And be sure to like and subscribe to my channel. See you next time. Bye.